How to create and set up a Shopify account. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get started on Shopify. So the best way to get started on Shopify is to go down to the description. You should be able to find a link. Simply click on that link. It's going to get you 97% off your first 3 months on Shopify. It's the best deal that you can get. So just go and click on that link and follow along the video. So once you actually open up the link, you're going to be met with the different plans that Shopify has to offer. Now, I'm not really going to be comparing these plans. It's obviously going to be up to you to which one is going to suit your business model best. You can just compare them from here, and you can even scroll down a little bit. You should be able to find full list of features. So take your time, and then once you're ready, just go ahead and select any of them. So that is going to prompt you to create your account for Shopify. From here, you can just continue with an email, or you can just use Facebook, Apple, or Google to sign up. So once you finish the sign up process, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to get to this page. It's going to ask you a few questions, and you can either just click on skip customized setup, or you can just go through it, and it's just going to make things easier for you later on. But for me, I'm just going to skip and show you how to set things up manually from Shopify. So let's talk about the dashboard real quick. Here is going to be where you spend most of your time, and also from the theme editor as well. But here you're going to have your online store. This is going to be where you are going to access your themes, your pages, and if you want to create any pages, it's going to be from here, and so on. If you want to adjust how your site looks like, it's going to be from here as well. So let's just actually start from there. Since we are on that topic, you just want to click on online store themes and click on edit theme. And by the way, if you want to install a completely different theme, you can just scroll down and you should be able to find them from here. You also have this theme store that you can purchase or find other themes in. Either way, you can just click on edit theme. And in here, you're going to be able to customize each single page that you have on your store, including the product page and the home page and so on. It is very easy to use and navigate with the editor here. You simply just click on any element that you want to change, and you're going to have the options on the left menu here to, for example, change the image or change how it actually looks like when it comes to the layout, padding, the colors, and so on. And you also have the theme settings from the left, which are going to help you set up the default colors, the default fonts, and so on. There's a lot of options that you can go through when it comes to editing your theme, and you can really create some crazy looking stores. Anyway, so this is going to be how to adjust your theme. So I'm just going to exit out and set up more important things first. So we can just go to the settings tab from the bottom left. And from here in the general, you can just change the name of your store from here and also add more details about your store in the general settings. Next up, you can just click on payments and set up all the different payment methods that you are going to accept. First, by choosing a provider, and also you have different payment methods that you can go for in here. So you can just click on this and select the one appropriate for you. And you can also select bogus gateway to test things out first if you would like. After payments, usually you're just going to go to the shipping and delivery and set things up in here as well. The shipping rates for international, domestic, and so on. So you want to set this up. International is this by default, but you can obviously change it, see which countries you want it to actually ship to, which you don't maybe. So all of these are going to be from the shipping options. Also from these settings, you are going to click on domains, and you can just go in and connect an existing domain from the top. So you just click on connect existing domain, add it, and follow the steps necessary. Or you can even buy a new domain from Shopify itself, because by default, Shopify is going to give you this kind of domain, your store name .myshopify.com. So if you want to connect your own custom domain, you can just do it from here. And obviously just go and make it primary later on from these settings. Now that we set that up, we are going to be ready to add our products to Shopify. Now we can just go and add products manually by clicking on the products tab from the left and click on add products. In here, you can just go in and add a title to your product, the description of it, some media, and also the price point, inventory, and also if you want to have some variants like size or colors, you can add them from here. You also have more things like collections, tags, and so on. All of this is going to be within the products section of the Shopify admin page. Lastly, what I'm going to be talking about is that you can add some apps that are going to go very well with your Shopify App Store. Think of them as integrations with maybe Google Ads, with analytics. There's a lot of apps that you can install, and it's going to really help you out in your journey. So to do this, so you can just click on the apps section, and you're going to find all recommended apps. Click on that, and you can just simply click on Shopify App Store. And in here, you're going to find plenty of apps that you can install. I suggest that you go for Judge Me, for reviews, and more things like if you want to drop ship, you're going to have things like print on demand services like Printify. Maybe also just customization options. You have a lot to go with from the Shopify App Store. It's a very powerful tool. Don't sleep on it. So I think that's all I'm going to be covering in this video. This is not a fully detailed video on how to completely set up your Shopify. This was just, touching points on the basics of what you need to go through when it comes to setting up Shopify. Now on this channel, you're going to find plenty of videos that showcase help on Shopify topics, a lot of different topics, so you can just feel free to search for it, and you should be able to find probably the thing that you're looking for on our channel. Anyways, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.